Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about some Jawahar Navodaya entrance exam math from Arient publication, and the first today's first math is like this: the cost price of a machine. What did I say? The cost price of a machine. Cost price means you know Kinamulya is 180. It was sold at the loss of 10%. Its sell price is days. Ship is equal how many? 180. Ship is equal to how many?
180.
180. Loss 10%. It's 10% means 10%. Right? 0, 0 can say 0, 0 can say 18. Loss 18. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss 18 is equal to 162. Right? 162. So selling price is 162. Or you can directly arrive at the conclusion. Now, how many percent loss? 10% loss. That means is, for example, that is 90% selling price. So 90% is equal to 90 is equal to 100. When 90 is selling price, ship is 100. When selling price is 1, ship is equal to 100 plus upon 90. Then 180. 180. 180. Right? Oh, I see. I am wrong. When 100 is CP, SP is 90. When 1 is CP, SP is 90 upon 100. Now 180 into 180. Right? 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 9 8 the 72. Here 2, here 7. 9 1 the 9 7 160. This is the direct procedure. You understand? So anyway, come to the point. Next question is, a person purchased 10x for 4, sold 8x for 4, right? The profit or loss in the bargain will be how many percent? What is given? 10x for 4. 10x for 4. That means 1 egg is equal to 40 paisa. 40 paisa. 4 rupees means
40 rupees.
not rupees, paisa. 4 rupees. RS 4 means 400 paisa. Paisa. Right? Paisa. So 1 is equal to 400 by 10. By 10 is equal to kete? How many? 40 paisa. Could you understand? Next. And sold 8x for 4. 8x for 4. 4 means 4 paisa upon 8 is equal to how many? 50 paisa. So, CP is equal to 40. SP is equal to 50. Profit or loss, tell me.
Profit.
How many? How much? 10. 10 paisa. So, when CP is 40, profit is 10 paisa. Right? When CP is 1, profit is equal to 10 upon 40. When CP is equal to 100, profit is equal to 100. 0, 0, 25, 25% profit. Right? 25%. Number 1. Right? So first one is which number? Which option?
1.
First one is Olu. Yes, 1. Right. 1. Second is 1. Okay. Next, a pen was bought for 20 rupees. CP RS 20. Right. At what price it must be sold to get the profit of 20%? We have to make 20%. Could you understand? So let's see. 20% of 20 is equal to 20 into 20% is equal to 0.0000 is equal to 4 rupees. We will make profit of 4 rupees. That means selling price will be 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. That's it. The answer is 24. Which number? Number 3. Thank you. Next one is a fruit seller. Number 4. Purchased 60 oranges at the rate of 12 for RS ethic. 60 oranges at the rate of 12 for 10. For 10. He sold them at the rate of 10 for 12. A fruit seller purchased 60 oranges at the rate of 12 for 10 rupees. Rate 10 rupees, 12x. Could you understand? That means he 12x cost 10 rupees. 60x will cost how many rupees?
60x.
60x means how many 12s? 5 12s, that is 50 rupees. Could you understand? CP is equal to 50 rupees. सीए 12टा को 10 टंकार किनला 60टा किनला 60 रे केतरा 12 अछि हाउ मेनी 12 5टा 12 अछि गोटे 12 को 10 रे 5टा 12 के तो अछि 50 टका हला ने सीपड़ा 50 टका कौन करिछि कोन से कर दैछि दैछि ही सोल्ड देम एट द रेट अबाउट 10 फॉर 12 12 टका 10टा बिकिछि 12 टका रे 10टा बिकि दैछि बुझबा न केतरा किनथिला
केतरा
60टा किनथिला हेले 10टा आइरे केतरा 10 अछि 60 6टा 6टा 12 हेले केते हला बिकिला 72 सीपीटा 50 and SP केते 72 profit or loss
profit
how many 72 minus 50 is equal to
2
minus 50 is equal to 22 profit. Could you understand?
number 1
Number
1
1 is a profit. Could you understand?
22
Next, a shopkeeper bought a watch for 280 and sold it for 315. Could you understand? 315 SP, 280 CP, 5 3 profit 35. What is the percentage of profit? Percent profit SP 315, CP 280. There is a profit. So let's say we count profit percent, calculate profit percent. So profit value 2 when CP is equal to 80, profit is 35. 1 35 upon 280 100 into 100 0 cancelled, right? 7 5 the 7 4 the 2 the 2 5 the is 25 upon 2 that is 12.1% profit. Which number? Number 3? Number 3 is correct. Right. Next, a man bought 75 meter of cloth at 20 per meter. At what rate per meter should he sell the cloth so as to gain 200? So how many meter rate is equal to rate 20 per meter? Right. He bought how many meters? 75 into 20. That means 150, 15 rupees. Could understand? So he will make a profit of 200. He will make a profit of 200. Per meter should be sell the cloth so as to gain 200. 200 means selling price should be like this. से 75 मीटर किनला 20 टंका दे 75 मीटर किनला तार तो मोट 1500 टका से कस्ट प्राइस किनला ताइले आमे कोन लाभ करिया 200 तामे से 1700 टंका रे बिकियो केति मीटर बिकियो से 75 मीटर आगा बिकियो तो आमे कोन करिबा ना सेलिंग प्राइस बाई हाउ मेनी मीटर्स बा मीटर्स आप पकई देले से पळे आछो सेलिंग प्राइस आसला सेलिंग प्राइस बाई 75 दिस इज 1700 25 3 दा 25 6 दा 150 170 minus 120 ये 0 200 25 8 दा could understand that is 60 80 by 3 which one is correct?
Number 4.
नाम दीजिए नाम दीजिए could understand this one? Next 7 Ajay purchased an old scooter for Rs 10,000 CP right he paid 150 for the road tax 150 for road tax 100 as a license fee right what price must be sell it to gain 20% okay 0 5 2 10 ताकू केते पड़ीगला किनला सीना 10,000 सी एत से आउ थे गई खर्च कर देछि तो ताकू सीपी गला 10,250 टका सी प्रॉफिट चाहूँ 20% आर 20% देखा 10,250 to 20% 50 into 20% right 0 0 0 cancel 2 5 the 0 1 2 2 the 4 1 5 2 0 0 2 so 2,500 प्रॉफिट सी पाइबा पड़ो आम कौन करिया सीपी 10,000 10,250 10,250 plus 2,050 is equal to 0 1 3 2 12,310 tell me
Number 1.
number
1.
this one number 1
7
12,310 that is seven 12,300 Oh, I see. This is 0, right? This is 0. 0, 0, 5, 5, 0, 1. Okay. Number 1. Next. 1 is 8. 4 dozen of bananas were bought at the rate of 15. 4 dozen. 1 dozen is equal to how many? 1 dozen is equal to how many?
12.
12, right. 4 dozen means 48.
48.
48 dozen bananas were bought at a rate of 15, right, per dozen, and sold at the rate of 2 rupees per banana. So, per 2 rupees, that means 48 into 2 is equal to how many? 96. Bought at 15, say SP is 15, and selling price is 96. Profit or loss? 96, 15 is equal to 181. Could you understand? Which number?
Number 4.
Banana bought at the rate of 15. Oh, wait. 1 dozen is equal to 15. 4 dozen means 15 into 60 rupees. This is CP. ସେ ଡଜନ 15 ଟଙ୍କା ହିସାବରେ 4 ଡଜନ କିଣିଲା, ସେଇଟା କେତେ ହେଲା? 60 ଟଙ୍କା ହେଲା। 4 ଡଜନ 4 ଡଜନ ମିନ୍ସ ହାଉ ମେନି? 48 ବାନାନାସ୍। ସେ ଗୋଟେ 2 ଟଙ୍କାରେ ବିକିଦେଲା, ଇଣ୍ଟୁ 2 ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ ଟୁ କେତେ ହେଲା? 96। ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ କେତେ ହେଲା? 96, 60, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ 36। 36 ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ ହେଲା କେଉଁଠି? when CP is 60, profit is 36. When CP is 1 upon 60, when 100. So 0 cancel, 6 is the is equal to how many percent? 60%.
4. Number 4.
Number
4.
Number 4.
8 number 4. 36.
36.
ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ 36.
How many rupees per dozen? Oh, loss profit 36. Yes, this is right. ଆମକୁ ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ ପଚାରନି, କେତେ ଲାଭ ହେଲା ପଚାରିଦେଇଛି। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଓକେ। A man bought a radio of RS 195 and got it repaired at a cost of 45. 195, 45 repair charge. Total CP 0, 4, 240. For how much should he sell it in order to gain 50? 50 plus 50 profit, 290. Answer is, tell me. 1. Okay, number 1. Next 10. A chair was sold at 60 at a profit of 20%. 60. SP 60. Profit percentage କେତେ ଅଛି ତା ଭିତରେ? 20% ଅଛି, ରାଇଟ୍। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦି କଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍? ଆର କଷ୍ଟଟା ପଚାରୁଛି, ଆ ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ ଅଛି, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛୁ ନାହିଁ? ହେଲେ କେତେ ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ ହେଲେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? ମନେକର CP 100, ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ 20, ସେଲିଂ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ 20, 120। 100 ଟଙ୍କା SP ମାନେ CP ହେଉଛି 100, 1 means 100 upon 120, therefore 60 is equal to into 60 is equal to 60 to the 25 the. So CP is equal to 50 rupees.
2. 10 number 2.
10 number 2. Or you can do like this. X anyway. 10 number 2. Yes.
10 number.
10 number. Okay. This is 10 number. 10 number 2. This one is right. Okay, done. Next. A shopkeeper bought 60x for 90. 60x for 90 rupees. 10x were found to be broken. 10 were found to be broken. Remainder is 50. What was the cost? He sold the remaining x at the rate of 2 per egg into 2 is equal to 100. What is the profit percent? CP 90, selling price SP 100, profit 10 rupees. Right? Now let's calculate profit percentage. When CP is 90, profit 10. 1, 10 upon 90. 100 into 100. Okay? 90. 100 upon 9. 9 1 da. 0 9 1 da. That means 11 1/9 is the profit percentage. Could you understand? Number 3.
Number 3.
Right. Next one is a table was sold at a 15% loss for assets 17. So this is SP. Loss 15%. Could you understand? So let the CP be 100, loss of 15. This is the CP. Loss and 85 is the SP. Could you understand? ଆମର ମନେକର ହେଲା ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ସେଲିଂ ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଲସ୍ 15% ଲସ୍। ତ ସେଇଟା କାଲକୁଲେଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଏଇଠି ଦେଖିବା କ'ଣ ଦେଖିବା ଯେ ଏଇଠି ଦେଖିଲେ when SP is 85, CP 100. When SP is 1, 100 upon CP is equal to 100 upon 85. When SP is equal to 700 into 700. Right? So 1700 and 5, 17 into 5, 5 into 20, okay, is equal to 2000. CP is equal to 2000. Could you understand which is correct?
3.
Number 3 is correct. Next, the 25 pence were bought for as 300. 300 CP 25 pence. Quantity 25. Sold at a 25% profit. Could you understand? The selling price of A pen is A pen. Okay, 25. It's 25% means 300 into 20 into 100 means 0 cancel 60 rupees profit. 360 is the SP. କେତେ ଟୁଡ଼ାର 25ଟାର ରାଇଟ୍। ଗୋଟାକୁ କେତେ ପଡ଼ିଲା ଭାଇ 25 କରିଦିଅ ରାଇଟ୍। 25 1 25 11 ବଳିଲା, ଇଏ ଶୁଣିଥିଲା 110, 25 ଚଉକୁ କେତେ ହେଲା 100, ଆଉ 10 ରହିଲା ନାଇଁ କି, ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଥରେ 10 100 କରିଦେଲେ 25 ଚଉ 10 ପକେଇଦେଲେ 14 ଟଙ୍କା 40 ପଇସା। ହାଉ ମେନି?
1.
Number 1 was bought for and sold 25%. That is not 20%. अरे तुम कौन देखुच? What are you looking at? I am making a mistake, but you can't find out what is this. I wrote 20% instead of 25. Didn't I? Huh? You are a fool. You are a fool. I am also a fool. So quantity 25, CP 300, profit is 20%. The 300 right into 25%. Yes, 25%. Thank you. 100 cancelled. Okay, so 75. Okay, profit is 75. Good understand? So SP is equal to 300 CP plus profit is equal to 375. Okay. Now let's see how much one costs. So 300 75 upon 25, 25 1 the 25 remainder 12 this then 5 125 so total 15. Could understand? So each one the selling price of a penny is how many?
150.
1 not 150 just 15.
A 50.
गोटा बोला 15 टाइम. Okay, it's done. We shall close today's math class. Till tomorrow. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.